Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 3 best features of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro, a smart home essential that's changing the way we answer the door. Let's get started. Coming in at number 3, design and compatibility. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro has a slim, modern look that fits well on almost any home. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with the Ring app and Alexa devices. So whether you're at home or away, you can see and talk to visitors right from your phone or smart display. At number 2, smarter motion detection. The Pro lets you customize motion zones, so you'll only get alerts where it matters, like your front porch, not the sidewalk. You'll also get instant notifications when someone approaches, giving you peace of mind, whether it's a package delivery or unexpected visitor. And the number 1 feature, high-quality video and two-way audio. With 1080p HD video, infrared night vision, and live streaming, you can clearly see who's at your door, day or night. Add in the built-in two-way audio, and you can talk to visitors or delivery drivers without even opening the door. So that's our top 3. Sleek design, smart motion detection, and clear video with two-way audio. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro is more than just a doorbell. It's a front door security upgrade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know if you'd install one at your home.